episode 2 of my Entrepreneur Life series. So if you guys don't know me, I'm Bree, and on this channel I do lots of curly hair routine videos and also hygiene videos. But I'm going to be launching my own hair care line very soon, hopefully in the next 2 months if everything goes well. And last week I uploaded a Entrepreneur Life video, my first one, and I explained a little bit more about my business. But in this video I'm going to be doing episode 2, and I do have, you know, more inventory and more things that I purchased for my business to show you guys. And I'm also going to be putting together this storage unit for my future office, which I'm in right now, and it's really empty, so that's why there's a lot of echoing, so I apologize in advance for that. So if you guys are interested to see what I'm going to show you guys today, then keep watching. I did order a printer. So this is the HP DeskJet 2652. It's on Spanish on this side and English on the other side, but I don't want to turn it around the other way because I'm not trying to show my address on camera. But yeah, so I ordered this from, I ordered this from Walmart. I was about to say Amazon, but I actually ordered this from Walmart, and this was only $44. So I'll leave the link in the description box so that you guys, if you guys are starting a business and you also need a printer, I'll leave the link in the description box so you can get it for $44, because most of the places that I checked were like $80 and some were even $200. So this one is the only one that I found that was below $50, but it does go out of stock very frequently, so be sure to put your email in to get notified when it does come back in stock. So yeah, that's what I had to do, because this printer runs out of stock very, very easily. But yeah, so it does basically everything that a regular printer does. It prints, it scans, it copies, and it also says that the ink cartridges are really low cost. That's what it says on the box. So yeah, it's a really cheap printer. It does the same thing as any other printer, and it's cheaper for you because it's only $44, and the ink is also cheap too. So yeah, this is not sponsored, I'm just saying, but yeah, so I got this one. I'm really happy that I was able to get it before it went out of stock. I'm not going to set up the printer today because my desk that I ordered for my office isn't going to be in until Monday. So next week I'll have to put that together and show you guys on camera. So the next thing that I ordered is my bottles, my dropper bottles for my hair growth oil. So I'm going to open that right now. Okay, so these are just my dropper bottles. Here you go. So I ordered about 80 of them, and these are 2-ounce dropper bottles. So like I said earlier, this is the 10-drawer rolling cart, and it has lots of different colors. I wanted to get the colorful one because I thought it was really cute, and I don't know, I just thought it was cute, and I think it would be nice to have like a pop of color in my office. For whatever reason, bright colors like motivate me, so I thought this was cute. I got this from Michael's. This was about $29.99 at Michael's. If you go on Walmart and Amazon, you'll find this for like $47 to $50. So if you want this, I would recommend to get it from Michael's because it's only $30 versus paying $50. Also, they have other colors. So like if you need one of these but you don't want the colorful one, they have white, and they also have like a mint green. So up to you, but I thought it was cool. And yeah, so they had this in the store near me, and I just ordered it online, but I picked it up in the store and it was ready the same day. So yeah, and it comes with 10 drawers, and the drawer capacity is enough to hold, so basically like the size of like a piece of paper is how big the inside of the drawer is. So, and that's basically all I really need, because I'm going to be putting like my bubble mailers, my paper for my printer, you know, and just different things like that I'm going to need, like bubble wrap, and just different things like that I'm going to need to like have access to quickly. So yeah, this was enough for me. And I did see, I don't know if it was on Michael's, but I did see they had other roller carts that had like 8 drawers, but they had deeper drawers. So if you need like bigger drawers, they also have those as well. So yeah, so that's all the inventory I have. I was actually supposed to get My jars for my deep conditioner were actually supposed to come in today. Actually, they were supposed to come in yesterday, but it was delayed because of this whole COVID situation. So next week, I'm going to be getting my desk in, my jars in. I should be getting a few more things, hopefully, if they're not delayed. Like, some stuff has already been delayed, and I'm going to be showing you guys more inventory and such. So yeah, so I'm going to be putting this together. I'm going to be filming it on camera so that you guys can see me like kind of like transform my office little by little over these next weeks and stuff. So yeah, so this is the first item that I actually purchased for my office. This roller cart as well as the printer, and I'm so excited to see everything come together. I don't really think, other than what I've already bought, that I don't really think I need anything else for my office right now, because all I really need is a desk, storage, and a chair. So we'll see, but you guys will see. I'm going to be doing an office tour in the next few weeks, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm going to put this together and stop talking now. Together, it took me about like 20 minutes. So you can just obviously put it in whatever order of color you want. This is just the one that I chose. And yeah, it was pretty easy. There's instructions were really simple. So yeah, it took me about 20 minutes. So this is my storage cart. I think it's really cute and colorful and fun. So yeah, So that's it for this video. As you can see, I put it together. I think it's really cute. Yeah, so that's all for this video. I don't have any more stuff to show you guys because I'm waiting on more orders to come in. And I will be making another order on Friday for more stuff. So yeah, lots of hauls, inventory hauls coming on this channel. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed my entrepreneur life vlog episode 2. So if you did not see episode 1, be sure to check out the link in the description box and stay tuned. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.